Hello everyone, this is Ashish Sharma from Classic Academy. So today we are going to continue with our leftover chapter, that is chapter number 3, physiography and drainage. हमने last time physiography and drainage में we started with the part of physiography of India. In that हमने पढ़ा था कि physiography of India has been divided into 5 major division. कौन सा 5 major division? The first one was Himalayas, second one was North Indian plains, we have Peninsula Plateau, we have coastal plains and we have islands. जिसमें से लास्ट वीडियो में we have already discussed about two main features, that is Himalayas and North Indian plains. And this video we are going to start with the term peninsula. What do you understand by the term peninsula? Anyone? Yes, we have already studied that in our previous grade. The term peninsula is nothing but land which is surrounded by water on the three sides. Okay, the area lying to the south of North Indian plains and tampering towards the Indian Ocean is called as Indian Peninsula. I hope I am clear with this point. जो तुम्हारा North Indian plains के नीचे है and the land which is tampering inside the what? Yes, Indian Ocean, that is known as what? Indian Peninsula. It consists of many plateaus and hill ranges, such as we can see we have Central Highlands and Deccan Plateau. ये दोनों चीज के बारे में आपके ये सिलेबस में डिस्कस नहीं किया, बट आपको एक्स्ट्रा इन्फॉर्मेशन के लिए मैं बता देता हूँ कि हमारा जो इंडियन पेनिनसुला has been divided into two different part, that is Central Highlands and Deccan Plateau. Okay? तो कौन सा प्लेट्यूज कौन सा हिल रेंजेस कंप्राइज करते हैं पूरी चीज को वो देखते हैं. द फर्स्ट वन इज महाराष्ट्र प्लेट्यू, सेकंड वन इज मालवा प्लेट्यू, फॉलोड बाय मेवाड़ प्लेट्यू, छोटा नागपुर प्लेट्यू, तेलंगाना प्लेट्यू एंड कर्नाटका प्लेट्यू. सो दिस आर द वेरियस प्लेट्यू जो हमको पूरे इंडियन पेनिनसुला रीजन में देखने को मिलेगा. टॉकिंग मोर अबाउट इंडियन पेनिनसुला रीजन, द अरावलीज इन द नॉर्थ, हमने याद है हमने पढ़ा था अरावलीज के बारे में इन द प्रीवियस वीडियो. द अरावलीज जो है नॉर्दर्न साइड में आर द ओल्डेस्ट माउंटेन रेंज इन द एंटायर वर्ल्ड. ओके, आर द ओल्डेस्ट माउंटेन रेंज इन द एंटायर वर्ल्ड. द यंगेस्ट कौन सा था? Yes, it was Himalayas. We also have youngest, we also have oldest. Moving further, it includes series of plateaus bordering plains, that is Vindhyas. We have Satpura ranges. We have hilly regions of Western Ghats and the Eastern Ghats. So this was the introduction on the peninsula. Now we are moving to the coastal plains. As we all know, we have two coastal plains. One is Western coastal plain, second one is Eastern coastal plain. The India is blessed with a coastline extending for approximately 7,500 kilometers. Starting from the first one, that is Gujarat, till the end, हमारा जो coastline है, it is 7,500 kilometers long. It lies to the eastern and the western part of peninsula. Moving forward, the western and the eastern coastline shows a remarkable dissimilarities. मतलब western coastline का बात करो और eastern coastline का बात करो तो दोनों में बहुत difference है. They are not same. Okay, if I'm talking about western coastline, वहाँ पे तुम लोग को जो western घाट्स है and everything है वो काफी अच्छा खासा heightened region में मिलेगा as compared to the eastern घाट्स और eastern coastal plain. Moving further, the west coast borders the Arabian Sea, whereas if I'm talking about the east coast border what? Bay of Bengal. Moving further and talking about the western coastal plains, it is by and large rocky platforms. हमने देखा रहेगा अगर western coastal plains में अगर आप कभी गए रहोगे, if you are from Mumbai और महाराष्ट्र, अगर आप coastal region में आए रहोगे तो हमारा जो coastal region है is by and large rocky platform. Rocks काफी देखने को मिलेगा. कुछ places में तुम्हें spurs देखने को मिलेगा. Spurs मतलब क्या होता है? Yes, it is nothing but the land which descends from hill. जो hill से एक land नीचे के तरफ आता है उसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? Spurs बोलते हैं. Okay, the spurs taking off from the western have extended right up to the coast and उसका जो width है वो भी कम है. Okay, talking about the river originating from western Ghats are short and swift. What do you understand by the term swift? Fast. क्योंकि western Ghats से जो river आते हैं उनको खत्म होने को अरेबियन सी में ज्यादा डिस्टेंस नहीं, इसके लिए उनको बोला जाता है दे आर वेरी मच शॉर्ट और स्विफ्ट. स्विफ्ट मतलब काफी फास्ट होते हैं और वो स्विफ्ट होने के वजह से, शॉर्ट होने के वजह से उन लोग डेल्टा फॉर्म नहीं करते, दे फॉर्म एस्चुरीज. अभी व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय द टर्म एस्चुरीज? Estuaries are nothing but the meeting point of ocean and a river. A meeting point of ocean and a river is known as estuaries. अगर अपना जो वेस्टर्न घाट से रिवर्स आ रहा है, अगर वो शॉर्ट और स्विफ्ट नहीं होते तो फैल जाते थे, they would have formed delta. बट यहाँ पे डेल्टा नहीं बनता है, यहाँ पे क्या बनता है? एस्चुरीज बनता है. Hope I am clear with the term estuaries and delta. Moving further to the next coastal plain, that is eastern coastal plain. Talking about the eastern coastal plain, it borders what? Yes, हमने अभी पढ़ा था, that is Bay of Bengal. It is formed due to the result of the depositional work of many rivers. Depositional work के बारे में हमने थोड़ा बहुत डिटेल प्रीवियस वीडियो में भी पढ़ा था. What do you understand by the depositional work of river? जब भी हम पंजाब प्लेन पढ़ रहे थे, यहाँ पे भी आपको शॉर्ट इंट्रोडक्शन दे देता हूँ. What do you understand by the depositional work of river? The land which is made with the help of rivers are known as the land which is made with the help of depositional work of river. Moving further, many east flowing rivers rising from western ghats and eastern ghats meet at this coast. बहुत सारे rivers है जो यहाँ से rise होते हैं, western घाट से rise हो या eastern घाट से rise हो, वो यहाँ पे particular जगह पे मिलते हैं, ये coast में मिलते हैं. Because of this gentle slope of land, gentle मतलब opposite of steep, okay? Because of gentle slope of land, river flows at the lower velocity. Lower velocity मतलब speed उसका काफी कम होता है, velocity मतलब speed, and deposit the sediments brought with them at the coast. और जो भी sediments वो carry करते हैं वो coast में deposit कर देते हैं. As a result, deltas are formed at this particular coast. I hope I am clear. So students, with this we have finished with our video. Okay, for further more videos, do stay tuned to our channel, our Facebook page. If you have any kind of doubt, please do comment on comment section. I'll try to solve it as soon as possible. Thank you so much. Have a great day.